So cooking on a budget is all about introducing people to using different ingredients that they might get from a food bank, or if they're looking to cut costs, and also trying to encourage them to reduce waste. So looking at perhaps swapping their meat for tin lentils, tin beans, dried lentils, pulses, maybe swapping meat for a cornmeal or a tofu, using things up rather than throwing it away, just trying new ingredients as well that are perhaps a bit cheaper. So maybe people haven't used squash before, or pumpkins that are seasonal, so we try those in the session, so they're trying new ingredients that they can perhaps replicate at home. People are definitely saying at the end of the course that they are using more, rather than throwing things away at the end of the week. They're making soup, they're making things, they're making it last a little bit longer. I think the big impact as well is that people have had somewhere to come once a week. It's been really sociable, so for social skills, for making friends that continue after the course. That's been brilliant, and from the feedback, that's been a real positive from this course.
Well, I enjoy everything really. It's meeting different people, and it's just friendly. And not only that, we get food to take home.
The impact of the course, it's helped with my maths skills and getting my passion back for cooking. So yeah, just getting out and having some time for me.
Well, if it hadn't been for this course, I wouldn't be where I am now. Cooking on a budget has had a huge impact on my life. It's given me so much confidence. It's given me an employment and a future. So from the start to beginning, it's been really helpful. And like working the till, because I wouldn't have had a clue. Counting things, I wouldn't have had a clue with any of it. So it has really helped me.
The DOVE was built on the foundation of making learning accessible for everyone, and promoting how invaluable lifelong learning is for people, and to have it based at a community level is just, is such an asset for communities. We've got lots of branches to the work we deliver here because we respond to community need. So we sometimes do work around cost of living crisis. There's a lot of health and emotional well-being support delivered here. People come in for photocopying, they drop in to use our digital services. So we provide a hub for people to access, a multitude of resources. But our foundations are community learning, and it's what we strive to continue, achieving for the people living locally.